Hey, what's up guys, NPS3D here and welcome back. Once again, I'm going to make a tutorial with Element3D and here is my YouTube channel. There are a lot of tutorials related to After Effects and Element3D, so you can check my channel. Also some breakdowns, project files and tips, tricks, experiment and much more. So please go on YouTube and check out my NPS3D channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram where I will put my all upcoming works. So let's jump on the tutorial and let's see what we are going to create today. So in this tutorial, we're going to create some banner design, or you can say some cover photos for your FB page and YouTube page. So there are three similar types of design I created. So let's see one by one. So first one is here, and second one is here, and third one is here. So let's try to create it. So create a new composition 1920 by 1000, 30 frame. Don't need any. In this we don't need animation, so we don't mind all these settings. So rename it for this poster. New solid element 3D. I am using FX console. You can download it 100% free from videocopilot.net, and it is so much helpful for me. So search element 3D, find, create our text poster, poster, alright. So we'll change the font. Fine. Here is the bold. Alright. So in element 3D, here we'll choose our text, custom text and mask. Choose the poster text. Go back to the scene setup, and here we will just press extrude and it extrude our text. Fine. So make some little minor changes on our text viewer. And my home is almost near the computer, so here is too much noise. So I'm so sorry for that. Fine. And here we'll just optimize this. Fine. Now we will create one more copy of our text. So here we will just right click and duplicate model, and in this bevel setting, sorry, extrusion model setting or bevel setting, fine, and we will create one more. Okay, so we'll just disable these two and we'll work with our first main text. Hit OK and go back to the group 1 particle look, and here just check the multi object, and now go back to the particle look, and here just the particle maybe their size randomness. Alright, so we'll go with 25. Perfect for me. Little bit is minus 90. The random displacement 10, and now play with rotation. Go to the particle rotation. We will go with scatter. Fine. This is good. So maybe this look good. Fine. So this is okay. Now go back to the scene setup. Here we'll enable our both layer or both text, and now we'll create one more copy of this text. Control D and put this in another group. Fine. Now it's time to color collect all this. I mean texturing. So this is main. 1.3. Looking with reflectivity. Control T. Sorry. Right click and duplicate the material, and here it says the color of material. Yellow, and we will put this on. Fine. Control D, and in here we will just put 0, and illumination channel we will just increase the illumination intensity, maybe 100. I change the color. This one. Fine. And we will change our color later if we want. So let's go with this color, and here we will change the illumination color white. Fine. And in our group 2 text, we'll just change the color, maybe red. Fine. And in second group text, we will do some few changes. So go back to the wireframe mode, and here we'll add some depth segment, maybe 12. Fine. You can also change the path resolution mode high to ultra, but in this case I'm go with high. And also surface option we will change dynamic, and here edge mode will choose the connected. Fine. All set. So hit OK. Okay. So hide the group 1 and let's work on group 2. So particle look default, and here we will go with noise. Hit enable. Fine, let's enable the group 1, and we will just put group 2 behind group 1. So there is no camera. So first add a camera, 35 millimeter. Fine. So ELEMENT3D group 2. Z value, left view. Active. Fine. Fine. So let's add a little bit more. So I think this one is good for me. And let's add different color. So it's green. Add this color. Fine. So let's look good, maybe. And once again, go back to the scene setup. And here we'll choose the environment. But first, we have to change our reflection mode for all text. So first, reflection mode and spherical, and spherical. Here we also change the spherical. Fine. Once again, go back to the scene setup and reflection. Maybe this one is good, and it is the idea how I created all this. You can see all this. So let's go with white. It is also looking good, and here it is green. Fine. So now let's go to the render setting and then occlusion and enable, and here also the red rest. And now we'll here since the gamma value of 1. Fine. And lighting, I'm not going to add our After Effect light. I'm going to use the Element 3D light. So here we'll change the dramatic basic lighting. So it's good. Light column. Good. So now here is two options to create our final look. One, we just save our final this work as a PNG, or you can work here. So in this case, going to export this image with PNG format. After that, we will work. So here we'll change final render setting, enhance multi-sampling, and here we'll choose to full render full, and now it's time to export. But here you can change the camera angle if you want. Fine. So, fine. So we'll export this loop. So I'm using FX console. So here is a benefit. If we click this capture icon, screenshot, so it will export our final composition preview with PNG format. So I'm going to export this one. So click here and just import and rename it to face and make a new comp. Fine. Control D and here call this BZ. Scale this and call this box blur the 25. Repeat edge pixels. So fine, good. And now create a solid, black solid and mask. Invert this mask. So our main footage, little bit up, create a new adjustment layer, and here we'll add a tint effect. So you don't need this one. Just add a chords effect. So this look is good. Now add our text. Let's add our text. www. youtube.com/poster and resize our text. Add a drop shadow effect. Perfect. So our poster is ready. So this is just a quick idea how I created our this NPS3D poster and slide poster and our cover poster. And if you have a video copilot particle, you can use it, or you can also create some particles like I created in this with CC particle word. You can see, depend on your choice, or you can create with or you can create with these particles stock footage from video copilot. It's 100% free. So I'm go with this. This is look good. So all right. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for loving me. I am MPS3D and thank you.